Yo, so what happens when a viral internet celebrity known for expectorating on Pookie's pecker
Hawk Tuah
launches her own meme coin?
What?
Well, if you answered anything other than horribly wrong, you'd be horribly incorrect. Fresh off my latest Bitcoin at 100K video, I couldn't pull myself away from this news story which hit a few days ago. And I thought, screw it, I'll do a video on it. Hailey Welch, who is better known for her viral Hawk Tuah meme, and now the chaotic launch and just as chaotic implosion of her cryptocurrency, Hawk, is now most likely in the crosshairs of regulators, with what seemed like a complete shit show from the beginning actually ended up being just that, a complete shit show, except not just for her, but her fans and her investors as well. Hailey Welch first rose to fame thanks to that viral Hawk Tuah meme, which took over social media and made her an overnight internet sensation. On my channel, I'll never punch down on people. It's just not my thing. To me, Hailey seems very likable. She's cute, she's funny, she has a bit of spunk to her. Ugh. She's really energetic and has amassed millions of followers and a loyal fan base. It seemed like only a matter of time before she ventured into new projects and capitalized on her newfound fame, as expected. On December 4th, though, Hailey launched Hawk, a meme coin based on the Solana blockchain. Initially, it was a massive hit. Within hours, the coin's market cap surged to a staggering $490 million. That's $500 million, okay? But here's where things get sticky. While the initial hype was huge, the coin's price took a nosedive almost immediately after launch. Within just 20 minutes, Hawk lost over 90% of its value, and that's where the accusations started. From a peak of nearly 5 cents, Hawk plummeted to just a fraction of a cent, falling down to 0.002 cents within hours. To put that in perspective, if you had invested $1,000 at the peak at 5 cents and then sold it at 0.002, you'd be left with just 40 cents. $1,000 to 40 cents. It's like, hey, I want to show you a magic trick. I'm going to take $1,000 and I'm going to turn it into 40 cents. Enter the Hawk meme coin. Investors were left fuming, with many wondering how something could go so wrong so fast. Fans and crypto enthusiasts took to social media, accusing Hailey and her team of what's known as a rug pull, a situation where the creators of a cryptocurrency hype up the price and sell off their own holdings and then leave the investor holding the bag. Basically, it's crypto bro talk for pump and dump. One of the loudest voices in the criticism came from YouTuber CoffeeZilla, aka Steven Findestein. All right, we're just gonna call him CoffeeZilla. So he posted a scathing video calling Hawk's launch one of the most miserable, horrible launches I've ever seen. And CoffeeZilla accused Hailey's team of insider trading, suggesting that they had sold off their own tokens during the price surge to cash out before the crash. He also pointed out that most of the coin's supply was controlled by insiders, and those who were quick to snap up large amounts of Hawk at the launch then dump them for profit into the retail investor buying liquidity. The data seemed to back this up, with blockchain analysis revealing that a majority of the coin's supply was in the hands of just a few wallets. I mean, it could also have been bots or snipers, as our team claims, that were algorithmically buying up all the Hawk they could, only then turn around and dump it on the follow-on buyers. Unfortunately, this would have been where her fans would have most likely been buying. Hailey responded, denying all these accusations. But let's be honest here. Just like James Bond and Spectre, she's a
You're a kite dancing in a hurricane.
She knew her fans were gonna get smoked on this. I cannot honestly believe she would have gone through with it. It feels to me, though, she is not without responsibility if it is indeed found that her and her team were guilty of taking advantage of retail investors in a pump and dump type scheme. The one thing I will say is I feel like she's a little bit out of her depth here, and blame should be put on her, but also on her team and even the platform that helped launch the coin. Even if that is the case, adulting is hard, and this is no doubt gonna be a rude awakening for her. Easy come, easy go, as they say. She did claim that her team had not sold any tokens and explained that they tried to stop the snipers by imposing higher fees on the exchanges. And those fees, by the way, would most likely go to her foundation, which is located in the Caymans. But with no clear proof of wrongdoing, the situation remains clouded in controversy and no doubt will continue to be a topic of discussion. This isn't the first time an influencer-backed cryptocurrency has faced backlash. Hailey's Hawk saga is just the latest example of how risky meme coins can be, especially when they're pushed by internet personalities with little to no experience in the volatile crypto world or finance in general. We've seen scandals with other celebrities like Kim K and Logan Paul, who face fines and accusations for promoting crypto projects without full transparency. And just like them, Hailey's fans were asking, was this a legitimate project or just a cash grab? While no concrete evidence of legal wrongdoing has surfaced, the incident itself has sparked a broader discussion about the need for regulation in the world of influencer-backed crypto projects. Experts are urging more oversight to protect investors, especially those new to this space who might not fully understand the risks involved. And unfortunately, these are the exact people that this meme coin was targeting in the first place. The Hawk crash serves as a cautionary tale for investors and influencers alike, highlighting the volatility and potential pitfalls of the meme coin market. So what does this all mean for Hailey Welch and for Hawk? Well, the fallout is still unfolding, but one thing is clear: launching a cryptocurrency is no small feat, especially when it comes with the weight of celebrity influence. Whether Hailey's actions were intentional, which I genuinely don't believe, or just a result of poor management, the Hawk debacle serves as an austere lesson for anyone thinking about jumping in the crypto world or investing in general. The one thing I can absolutely promise here is that the next person to talk Tuah will be someone from the SEC. Pretty much guarantee that. And I don't know if anyone's had these audits with regulators or been questioned by regulators, but I can tell you one thing: they are not fun. So what do you guys think? Was Hawk a scam to begin with, or just an unfortunate series of events? Let me know what you think in the comments below. One question I have for crypto heads out there is, if you were to launch a coin, how would you do it differently to avoid this situation? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Stay safe, stay informed, always do your own due diligence and research, and if it looks too good to be true, then most probably is. Remember, kindness is the rent we pay on earth, so do something nice for someone.